And we are back. We've got our canvas coated, we've got it spray painted. I have these 5-ounce cups. I'm gonna layer up probably 3 or 4 of them, and we are going to go from there. The colors I am working with today, of course, now I just got it all over my finger. We have Artist Loft Soft Body White. I'm gonna just layer a little of that. I'm okay with paint if it gets on here, as long as it doesn't get from here up. I have 24K gold. We have Payne's Gray. Actually, no. We are going to work with some Nickel Azo Gold. And then I'm gonna come in with the Payne's Gray. Do a little more of that, and then the white, gold, see here, that's coming again with the Paynes. I am currently redoing our kitchen, so we're not pouring in the kitchen today. Okay, so that's 1 cup all layered up. There we are. And I'm just gonna put that to the side for now, and then I'm gonna work on another one, but I'm gonna start with the Payne's Gray. And then I'm gonna come in with the gold, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, and then some white, or we'll do a little more. There we go. And the gold, Payne's Gray. We'll do a little gold again, and then the Nickel Azo Gold, and we'll do a little bit of white. And that one is going to be that cup all layered up. And let's see, we're gonna start with Payne's Gray again. And I'm just gonna leave that there because I can just fill that after. I just wanna make sure that we are good to go. And we're gonna coat this with a little bit of the white. Here we are. I love all the movement in this piece. Love this area right here. I think this one is going to look amazing, especially when it's resined down here. But that will be on another day. You guys have been amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video because we're going to be doing another one, but on a 16 by 20. Have a great day. Bye.